Welcome to clickmyproject.com.
Now we discuss about pre-colorant-channel color barcodes for mobile application on interference cancellation frame. In our proposed we use the quick response codes is like a two-dimensional barcode, but the barcode readable by the optical machine it contains which item is attached to the QR code encode. The details of numeric, alphabetic, bytes and binary. It gives more information about anything. It reads by imaging device only. The algorithm utilizes mask for the selection of modified pixels and non-linear programming techniques to locally optimize brightness level. We propose a color barcode framework for mobile phone application by exploiting the spectral diversity afforded by a cyan, magenta and yellow colored channels commonly used for color printing and the complementary red, green and blue channels respectively used for capturing color images. Specifically, we exploit this spectral diversity to realize a threefold increase in the data rate by encoding the independent data in the cyan, magenta and yellow print colorant channels and decoding the data from the complementary red, green and blue channels captured via a mobile phone camera. To mitigate the effect of cross-channel interference among the print colorant and capture color channels, we develop an algorithm for interference cancellation based on the physically motivated mathematically model for the print and capture process. Now, it is the flow diagram for our proposed work. Here the three type of message will be used and that three type of message is going to the QR code generator and the QR code will be generated QR code and that process will be done in the normal QR code application and then we add the color for using the image processing of each QR code and then the color QR code will be embedding each other and to generate the color QR codes and during the decoded and the localization and geometry corrections will be applied and then we extract the red, green, blue band from the color embedding QR code and after the extracting the red, green and blue and then the color intersection cancellation will be used and we will get the different QR code. It's a QR code 1, QR code 2 and QR code 3 will be separately rejected and then we extract the message from the QR code 1, QR code 2, QR code 3 and this process will be done in the normal QR code application. Here we embedded the different messages by using the different QR code and then we add the QR code by color. Here we add the color like cyan, magenta and yellow and that three color will be added and we embedded the color QR code with each other. So that reason the finally result of the center side is the color QR code will be given and that color QR code will be printing or else is sending any other and we extract the QR code and it will be separate the red, green, blue band of the each QR code color and that band will be separated by using the local geometry correction algorithm. After the local and geometry correction, the red, green and blue band will be extracted by the color QR code from the receiver side and then use the color interference cancellation system. We will maintain the color changing from the QR code and then we extract the three different QR code from the sender side. It will be extracted differently. After we recognize the QR code by normal QR code application, it will be give the same types of message from the each QR code. Now we demo of our process. Open the MATLAB source code and then right click the main.m from the folder and run the file. Here choose whether your process is the embedding or retrieval. Now we going to embedding the process, so press the embedding button. Now the embedding process window will be open. First browse the QR code from the database. This QR code will be generated by the QR generating toolbox from the online. Now we choose the QR code. 3 QR code will be chosen for the process because in our process we use 3 QR code with 3 different messages. Now we add the different color for the 3 QR codes. Now the 3 QR code will be added cyan, magenta and yellow color will be adding. After the color adding, now we go to the embedding the 3 QR code and then we generate the color code for the QR code. It is the color QR code with embedding the 3 QR code. Now we go to save this QR code for retrieval. Going to color QR code image and then we choose the name for the image. Then we go to the retrieval process for retrieve the QR code, or else we go to the home and choose the retrieval process from the initial window. Now going to retrieval process. Here our QR embed code from the global window. Now here we are not getting any QR code. Go to the browse button and use the and get the QR code from the saving location. And then extract the red, green, blue from the original QR code and then estimated the result for QR code. After the estimation, we will get the original QR code from the QR code image. And now we going to save the QR code. And it will be saving from the QR image. And now we go to the home button for choose the another process. Now I again run the main.m file and directly retrieve the saving QR code. Now browse the QR code from saving place and then we choose our saving QR code and then extract the red, green, blue color from the saving QR code and then estimate it. It will take some more time for estimate and getting the correct QR code from the input image. Now it is the estimated of cyan, magenta and yellow color, and after the estimation we save these QR codes for recognition process and now press the home for the initial process or will be exit the process. Thank you.